It's small, easy to overlook, but this piece of Jasper from New River had a surprise waiting inside. One quick cut, and there it was, a bold pattern begging for a flat surface polish. Let's bring this hidden beauty to life, step by step, in just 5 minutes. Let's get this started. But don't forget safety. What we're gonna do is I've got this Sharpie right here. I'm just gonna draw a whole bunch of lines on my rock. And why I'm doing this, guys, is so I know I have a flat surface. As this black goes away, we're gonna have a perfect flat surface and we'll be able to move on to the next step. But I wanna make sure I cover this. These little kind of corners are notorious for not grinding down with the rest of it, so just be real liberal with it and put a lot of black on your rock. If you got any pits though, avoid those pits, because if you get the marker in those pits, oh boy, it ain't gonna be good. I've got some water coming out, nothing too crazy, just a couple of drips like that. This should be a pretty quick step. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this flat surface and put it down right here. I'm gonna keep moving it around. I'm gonna move it around like this in a circular motion. I'm also gonna press it around this way, up and down that direction. And I don't wanna keep it sitting in any spot for too long, because what will start to develop is, as this thing spins around, we'll get these grooves. It's gonna look like a record player. So we're definitely not looking for that, guys. Make sure that rock just keeps moving around. Here we go. Let's take a quick look. Uh-oh. You can see I've got some black line right there and a little bit of it right there. So we've still got a little bit of ways to go. Let's keep at it. All right, what have we got here? I don't see any more black lines. Oh, that is nice and smooth, and just look how beautiful this is. These little pockets here, and lovely quartz. Wow, is that awesome or what? I've got my 180 grit diamond disc installed here, and we are ready to roll. Again, for this step, let's just keep that rock moving all around. Let's do this. And just like that, hopefully that did it. Oh yeah, just beautiful. If you spend a lot of time on that 60 or 80 grit diamond disc, whatever you've got your starting disc with, this step is always super quick. I think we're ready to move on, guys. Let's do this. And here we are with the brown disc. Get that nice and tightened down. Same thing, we're gonna keep this rock moving around. For this step, we don't really need to do that circular motion anymore. We can just kind of move it back and forth, just like so. This should be real quick. And that should do it. Oh, nice and smooth, and this beautiful pattern inside. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I've got the old felt pad laced with aluminum oxide right here. And I've got my squirt bottle here that's filled with distilled water. If you're new to this channel, try and use distilled water. If you're using tap water or anything, it may contain calcium, and it's just gonna be bad times for your rocks. It'll cause all kinds of scratches on it. We're just gonna let this thing glide across like a happy little cloud as usual. This is gonna be one beautiful, happy piece of Jasper here in just a moment. Oh, I just love the reds in this one. Just kind of let it move around like so. Since this is a long piece of material here, you can tap the corners on the far end. That'll help kind of press those down a little bit. Sometimes they get neglected just a little bit. All right, I can feel it starting to grip. That means it's time, hopefully. Let's take a look. It is the reveal time. What have we got here? Oh, wow. Look at that. That is just absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, guys. I hope you learned something from this video today. If you did, don't forget to consider hitting that subscribe button to help this channel grow. And don't forget to check out my other videos on lapidary and rockhounding and other crazy things. All right, my friends, once again, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time.